Hello everyone and welcome to MKTG 675 Seminar in Marketing Analytics. In this video, I will guide you through Google Colab, which is the main platform we will use for coding and data analysis in this course. All of our Python exercises, demonstrations, and even some advanced projects will be done in Colab. So it's essential that you feel comfortable with the basics before moving on to more complex analytics tasks. Google Colab, short for Collaboratory, is a free cloud-based environment for Python programming. You don't need to install anything on your computer. All you need is a web browser. Some of the key benefits are zero configuration, no setup, no installations. Access to GPUs. Colab provides free GPU and TPU resources for computation. Easy sharing. Since it's integrated with Google Drive, you can share notebooks just like Google Docs. Flexible documentation. Colab supports Python code, Markdown for text formatting, and LaTeX for equations. This means we can run code, explain results, and show mathematical models all in one notebook. When you first open Colab, you'll see a default notebook. The first step is usually to rename the file. Click on the file name at the top of the screen and type a new name. One of Colab's strengths is that it's fully integrated with Google Drive. This allows you to share notebooks with collaborators using the Share button in the upper right. This integration makes collaboration seamless and ensures you never lose track of your work. By default, Colab runs on Google's cloud servers, but sometimes you may prefer to run notebooks on your local computer. For example, if you need access to local data files or want more control over your hardware, Colab supports this through the option Connect to Local Runtime. Setting it up requires a small extension, but it gives you more flexibility if needed. A Colab notebook is organized into cells. Each cell can hold either text or code. This structure allows us to mix explanations, code, and outputs in one place, making notebooks both interactive and explanatory. To work in Colab, you simply click on a cell, type in your content, and run it. Code cells are where you write Python code. To run a code cell, you can click the play button on the left side. Press Ctrl plus Enter or Command plus Enter on Mac to run the code in place. Press Shift plus Enter to run and move to the next cell. Press Alt plus Enter to run and add a new cell below. For example, type A Albert 10 in one cell and print A in another. When you run them, you'll see the output immediately below the code. Colab makes it easy to add and rearrange cells. If you hover between cells, you'll see buttons to insert either a code cell or a text cell. You can also use the toolbar options. To reorganize your notebook, simply drag cells or use the Move Up and Move Down options in the toolbar. Colab supports collaboration through comments. Just like Google Docs, you can select a cell and click the comment button. Right-click and choose Add a Comment, or use the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus M. Comments appear alongside the notebook and you can tag collaborators using their email addresses. This is very useful for group projects. Colab provides the full power of Python. For example, you can import libraries, define variables, and run code exactly as you would in a local Jupyter notebook. Colab also supports system commands. You can run terminal commands by prefixing them with an exclamation mark. For example, os lists files in the directory. Pip install installs Python packages. This allows you to combine Python with system operations, making Colab a very powerful tool. Colab helps you code faster with auto-completion. After importing NumPy, if you type nempizar and then press tab, you'll see a list of available functions. If you type an open parenthesis after a function, you'll see a documentation pop-up. This gives you immediate access to method descriptions without leaving your notebook. When errors occur, Colab displays them in a clear format. For example, dividing by 0 will produce a 0 division error with a traceback that shows exactly which line caused the problem. This formatting makes debugging easier and less intimidating. In Colab, you can perform file input and output just like on your computer. You can create, read, and write files within the notebook environment. To bring files from your computer into Colab, you can use the command files.upload. This opens a file browser window where you can select files. Once uploaded, they become available in your Colab environment. To save files from Colab back to your computer, use files.download. For example, after generating a dataset or saving results, you can quickly download them with one command. Beyond uploading and downloading, Colab integrates directly with Google Drive. This allows you to store large datasets and results in Drive and access them anytime. To connect Colab to your Drive, use the command drive.mount content drive. You'll be asked to authorize access, and once it's done, your drive appears like a folder inside Colab. You can then read and write files as if they were on your own computer. In this video, we explored the basics of Google Colab. You learned how to get started, organize and run cells, collaborate through Drive and comments, run Python code, use system commands, and manage files. These skills will form the foundation for all of our future work in MKTG 675. Make sure to practice these basics so you can confidently follow along in class.